So these are the microwave digestion liners made up of Teflon. Inside the liners we keep our samples along with acid mixtures to digest and dissolve the solid samples. And this is the instrument, microwave digestion unit, used for digesting the samples. Microwave assists the digestion process. In our geochemistry lab, we have various accessory instruments that will be used for pre-processing the samples for various geochemical measurements. Here we have a ball mill that will be used for grinding the sediment samples. We have a disc mill that will be used for grinding hard rock samples. And also we have several other machines like centrifuge machines. Here we have two high RPM centrifuge machines, swing out with swing out rotor as well as fixed angle rotors.